Welcome to another Tech AV training series in which you are going to learn about the important tasks of drilling, tapping and threading. Whether you're in training or practicing in general engineering trades, you will inevitably need the skills that this series demonstrates. The tools and equipment that will be demonstrated in this series are of the type that are normally available in any general engineering workplace. Let's begin then by discussing the topic of drilling. The primary purpose of drilling is to produce holes into various workpieces for a variety of reasons. The tool which produces the hole is called a twist drill. The drill is turned with a drilling machine of one type or another. The simplest machine is a hand brace, used for light work in carpenters' shops or domestic applications. More common in workshops is the portable electric drilling machine, a power tool that is driven by electricity. For more precise and accurate work, a fixed or bench-mounted drilling machine would be used. In this program, both portable and bench-mounted machines will be demonstrated. We begin with the portable machine. This versatile tool has many applications, especially in situations where it is not possible to use other types. Portable machines have certain features necessary for drilling into masonry. Such a feature is the hammer action. The hammer function is only used on brick or concrete. It must never be used on metalwork. In the engineering workshop, a portable machine is mostly used for metal drilling on work that cannot be accommodated in a fixed machine. However, it should be noted that portable machines are not suited to precision work. Before using a portable machine, a few points on safety must be checked. Inspect the power cord prior to plugging it in. Check for faulty plugs, damaged insulation, and security at the entry point to the machine. Do not use a machine that has a damaged power cord. Return it to stores for repairs by a qualified electrician. Ensure that ventilation holes are not restricted, which could cause the motor to overheat. For personal safety, ensure that you are wearing suitable eye protection. Always carry the machine by its body. Never pick it up by the power cord, as this will cause damage to the cord and could result in an electric shock. Wear suitable footgear, such as rubber-soled shoes, to prevent against possible electric shocks. After this break, we shall demonstrate correct methods for using a portable drilling machine.